bafethu Muselo from FOREXMOGULZ. I decided to take this sell trade. Yeah, it's a real account. Yep, it's a real account. Decided ukuthi ngithathe le sell trade le. I'm gonna go long. Ngibona ukuthi kuzokwenza kanjani, but ngibone ilentuza igolide libreaker i-support and then lay retest. Ngibona ukuthi lizoqhubeka lize liyofika lapha ku 1825.73. Ake sibone ke ngisazona updates abafethu ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. It's a real account njengoba nibona lapha tariff server. That's a real account, guys. Yep. Ake sibangene. We currently running at $1.60. Yeah, fluctuator. But singasho $65. Ake sibangene, guys, sibone. Yep. Danko kwayisholo bafo. Signing out. I-update ke le yale trade ade ngiyithatha njengoba nginjengisile real account. Sure, ngisazonivezela futhi. Danko kwayisholo bafo. Signing out. Bafowethu. So ngi-ende up sengithatha i-profit. And up sengithatha i-profit ya $3.34. Ngibonela ukuthi market iya consolidate too much, and since uma ngabe uyi-trader nje usuwazi ukuthi once market yaloku i-hesitator ukuthi iye kulo direction leyo isuke izo-reverse. So and the ups ngilentuza sengiphuma and nomqondo wami ubungekho-ke in the right space ukuthi bengaze ngize ngiyi-hold for long le trade le. So yeah,